Thyssenkrupp got their hands on it. Which one?
2.
Hopefully I get both in the same. Oh, it is a fresh mod.
This thing's brand new.
Very new. It's got the new LCD indicator on it. These used to be Thyssenkrupp Aurora. You're welcome. I called it too. I knew these were going to be modded when the other ones did.
Figures. Never know what this is. Is that like some kind of
3D door sensor.
that's kind of fun. It says to detect people and not just in the doorway.
These cabs got redone before the mod. So I probably rode these right before they got changed.
I quite like it.
There's a new camera right there.
That's fun. I like the design. I don't know about what's with everyone going with LCD.
See how stupid it is. That was easy. It's probably the only thing I'm going to be filming today.
I want to test out those. I want to see how this door sensor works.
I think it only does it on the outside.
Okay, well that was a fail. What was that?
I don't know. The Homewood, it did not get this mod at all. That got a always mod with monitor. This is completely different.
Smaller.
This is all new equipment too. There's a phone going off. And that's it.
See where the Aurora indicators were. This still has the outline.
Yeah. Alright, and that's it.